Simple solutions to life.
Make it love, simple solution. Make it love, make it love, make it love, simple solution. Make it love,
Simple solution.
Hello, welcome to our channel. Yes, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Medilock. Yes, and I'm saying a big welcome to you. Yes, in case you're new here, you're just seeing my video for the first time, or you're just clicking on our channel for the first time, please subscribe to our channel. Just click the subscribe button and join us on this particular family where everybody is somebody, where we learn simple solution to life. Yes, so guys, you're not in the wrong place. Congratulations for finding me. Yes, we work together. We're one big family here. Okay, so today I want to show us something, one secret. Some of you may have come across this and some of you may not know about this, but you may have come across it but you don't know the spiritual significance of it. So now I have come to make the spiritual significance again very elaborate, expatiate it for you to understand why you should embark on something like this if you must prosper. Yes, if you want to see prosperity, and I want to tell you the secret of the knot. Okay, so guys, are you seeing my hand? Hey, levels. Yes, let me do my eye for you. Yes, so this is our good luck bracelet. It's available. You can place order for your own, and it is highly affordable. This is fortified beyond your imagination. So give it a trial and a trial will convince you. Yes. So guys, now I want to tell us how we can use rice to draw wealth to ourselves. The ones that you have learned before, those ones, that is not, in fact, I want to teach you the simplest one. Okay, if you look at our channel, we have several videos on how to use rice this way. Do rice water bath, do this, do that. But this one now is very simple. This one, because due to popular questions people ask on the channel, people ask questions, Medilock, this and that. I am not married. How can I cook rice? I am not this. So many questions. And this is hindering your blessing. Therefore, we have to come up again with something that can actually help you without giving you stress. Yes, someone like me, I don't like stress. I don't like anything that gives me stress. So I always look for easiest way out. Even as a student, you give me mathematical formula, I will tell them, please, is there any other shorter formula? Yes, now. Yes, it's not just to pass the exam, or the way to make me understand it better. Yes. So now, spirituality is like mathematics, like I always say. And I told us, I've been saying it, that a time is coming. And that time is now, where spirituality will become physicality. Whether you believe it or not, it will be in your face. Yes, it's either you learn how to maximize the use of it, or you leave it and be a commentator. Yes, now it's not everybody that must be a player. We only have 22 players on the field, and others are commentators. So if you can decide to be a commentator and be watching, be saying, see their testimony, If you look at my WhatsApp status now, you will see a lot of testimonies there also. So guys, now before we move further with this rice, I want to show you our newest products. Apart from this good luck bracelet, we also have herb for people that are suffering from staphylococcus. Yes, have you been diagnosed with sexual staphylococcus? Staphylococcus is a sexual infection, isn't it? Yes, but it's very hard to treat medically. A lot of people have been having living with it for years. Yes, and at times when neglected, it gives birth to other bigger problem in your body. At times it hinder production of recreation. Yes, it can stop somebody from having children or make you incapable of impregnating any woman. Yes, no matter how fertile she is. So staphylococcus herb is available. You can place order for your own. And if you're even suffering from stubborn gonorrhea, the one that has refused to go, you understand? Especially the one that is spiritually motivated. Yes, now spiritually, yes, motivated. Use this. Yes. And then we also have medicine for ulcer. People will call me and say, Medilog, please, I'm suffering from ulcer. Is there any medicine for ulcer? Do you have anything? I say, I'm working on it. But now it has arrived. Hey, where are you? Welcome on board. Ulcer, stomach ulcer, peptic ulcer, stomach ulcer. What about kind of ulcer that you have? Inside your stomach, inside your intestine, in your chest. You know, some, it will not allow you to belch. You see, you'll be having you'll be having pain from your chest down to your back. You understand? You'll not be able to turn like this, you know. So, congratulations. Some, they have wound in their intestine. This one will heal that wound in your stomach. Yes, you only take it, just a teaspoon of it inside a glass cup of milk or yogurt. It depends. If you like, you put sugar. If you like, you don't put sugar. It depends on you. But take 1 teaspoon every day of this with milk in a glass cup and you'll be fine. Yes, and even this one also, the same way. You also take this one. But this staphylococcus, you are not taking it with milk. You are taking it with either inside your tea or inside pap or custard, anything that you deem that you can use as a carrier, you know, just put it inside. Then you take it. You can either take it cold or warm. You understand? So, congratulations. So now, I want to tell us about this, okay? This is rice. This is rice, okay? So the easiest way, rice. Can you count the grain of rice? If they give you 1 bag of rice to count, in fact, even this one now, give it to somebody to count now. It will take you 72 hours to count this. Yes, now. That is somebody that is not doing any other thing at all. So, can you count the number of grains? That is the number of millions God is going to release into your life. I'm not joking. Do I look like I'm smiling? No, I know what I'm saying. This is serious. Yes. See, rice. If you want to attract wealth, and this is why our partners, when they partner with us, they send anything at all to us, no matter how small or big the money is. We make sure that we give rice out on behalf, in the name of our partners. I am not asking you to send money to us. I'm just teaching you what you are supposed to do. Okay? So, you get rice. Even if it's just 1 bag of rice, or even if it's just 1 mudu of rice. Okay? Just buy rice. See, even this size of this container, get rice in this size of container, pour it inside a leather, a nylon leather or paper bag, whichever one that you use in your country. Go and give it out to people that are hungry. Yes, give rice to the less privileged. Raw one, okay? Because in one of my videos, I say you should cook rice and give it out every Wednesday, every Thursday. You can give this out. You will attract blessings. As many as the grain of that rice. See, because of you, because of what you have done, because of charity you have given out, God will decide to prolong your life. Yes. You will not die until you reap the reward of your love. You will. Yes, that sickness in your body that want to kill you, that enemy that they have written down your name, they pencil your name to kill you, God will arise. God will abort their plan because God is set to bless you. God is set to promote you, and He will never share His glory with anybody, and He will never allow anybody to overtake Him. God is an overtaker of all. Yes, if you sow with God, and you will reap. He will make sure you reap it. You will not die with your life like this in good health. You will reap the reward from God. It's not a joke. It's not. You see, I am not telling you to send us money. Do your charity anywhere that you deem fit, that you can reach out to people. Use this. It is for your own good. Okay. If you don't have money at all, you can just sow seed. Use this. Okay. Even quantity as small as this quantity, pour it inside somewhere. And do you know that the quantity rice in this particular container can feed a family, at least maybe a small family, yes, for lunch or for dinner or something. Yes, see, it will go a long way. Yes, so try rice today. Let's see. Okay, if it doesn't work, see, I beat my chest. If it doesn't work, come and beat me. I did my house. Come and beat me. I'm telling you because I'm sure of what I'm saying. Okay? See you again in our next video. Alright? Please remember to subscribe to my channel and share my video with your friends and family so that they can also learn from this, our family. Yes. Thank you and God bless. Bye.